If you're looking for a quick and intense full body workout that's gonna make you sweat, you came to the right place. Me, Michelle, Lily, and Destiny are about to give you guys the workout of your life. Stay tuned. Real quick before the workout, something I recommend if you're trying to lose extra fat, take some of these. Some burn from one soul. And another supplement I recommend during your workout, mix it with your water, BCAAs. These are gummy bear flavor. It's gonna help with muscle soreness, cramps, because it also includes electrolytes, so perfect during your workout. You guys ready? All right, so they're all here. Lily, you ready? You're not supposed to drink all your BCAAs right now. This is for during the workout.
A little hard not to drink it all.
All right, guys, here we are. Full body workout. I got Lily Moon.
Hi.
Destiny, Bad B Michelle, and of course you already know Booty King. So today's workout, full body. We're gonna get straight to it. The only rest you get is when I'm explaining the workout, and there will be another rest during, in the middle of the workout for like about 1 minute. But other than that, it's just gonna be when I'm explaining the workout. So we're gonna get straight to it. We're gonna do squats to a lunge to a shoulder press. So you guys ready? All right, I'm gonna have Michelle and Destiny do it with weight. So this is how it goes. We're gonna squat. We're gonna go straight to a lunge. And then we're gonna shoulder press like this. All right, let's go. We're gonna do 10 reps together. So a squat and a lunge on each leg with the press, that's 1 rep. We're gonna do 10 of those. You guys ready? Let's go. Let me give you guys a side angle. Squat. Lunge. Press. Got this. Let's see how they're doing. All right, there you go. Remember, you guys gotta push off the heels when you do the squat. When you do the lunges, pushing off the heels. There you go. Ooh, feel that burn. Lunge, lunge, press with my imaginary weights. Squat, lunge, lunge, press. Now, if you don't want the dumbbells up here, you can hold them down here. Perfectly okay. You guys are killing it. Come on, don't tell me you're tired, Lily. Just the first workout. All the way to 10, make sure you guys are keeping count. That's almost done, Michelle. Let's go, let's go. Come on, you're gonna be feeling your legs, your glutes, your shoulders, everything. All right, we're done with this one. You know, if you guys need a break, a longer break, it's perfectly okay. You know, we're gonna be right here. Just pause the video. Next workout, we're gonna do reach outs. So you're gonna be in a push-up position. Legs spread out. I don't want them close. It will make it a little harder for the balance. So keep your legs spread out. And all you're gonna do for 30 seconds is each arm, you're gonna go up like this. Like you're trying to reach up. 30 seconds, let's go. About 30 seconds. Keep that core tight. You're gonna be feeling your core. You're gonna be feeling your shoulders. Hang in there, guys. It's gonna burn right away. Come on, Lily. Let's go. Destiny, you're doing great. I love it. Keep that core tight, Michelle. Come on. Ooh, Michelle's already shaking. Come on, 5 seconds. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. And we're done. 30 seconds. You guys are doing great. You guys showed up. Oh, we got the garners making noise. Okay, now we're gonna do lower abs. We're gonna do in and outs. So if you guys saw the last follow along video, this workout was in it. So you're gonna be sitting down on your butt, hands on the floor, bring your knees in, out. Let's go all the way to 15 reps. So this is 1, 2, Do not let your feet hit the floor. That's part of the challenge. Keeping your core engaged. If you feel the upper thighs, completely normal. All the way to 15. You'll be feeling the lower abs right here. This whole area, upper thighs, lower abs, everybody's done. All right, good job. All right, now we got burpees to a press. This one's gonna be challenging. So, you're gonna do a burpee. You're gonna jump up, you're gonna grab the dumbbells, and then you're gonna go up. Put them down, jump back up, press. We're gonna do 10 reps. Now, if you can't do a burpee like that, we're gonna do a modified version. Step back, step up, pick up the weights, up, 10 reps. Your heart's gonna be racing, let's go. You got 10 reps. Got it? You don't have to do a push-up, Michelle. You could if you want, but you don't have to. There you go. Destiny's doing the modified version. You see her? Lily's doing it with no weight. It's more challenging with weights. But if you don't have any, that's no excuse. We're still gonna get these workouts in. There you go. I want you to jump back, Michelle. Put your hands and then jump back. Perfect. There you go, all the way to 10. Hang in there. Woo! I'm gonna give you guys a water break after this. Let's go, hang in there, hang in there. Perfect. Killing it. Don't stop, don't stop. All done? All right. I'm gonna give you guys a little water break, so you wanna get some water? Let's go. Just make sure you guys don't drink too much because we're gonna go straight into the workout after this. So we're gonna sip on our BCAAs right now. We got some electrolytes in here so we don't cramp up. And it's also really good for muscle contraction. Just take a little sip. Not too much. All right. Keep your body warm, keep it moving. I'm gonna give you guys 30 more seconds. You guys are doing great. I love it. I love the energy. Woo! What happened? Oh, wow.
We're going hard.
We're going hard. Look at that. All right, we got 15 seconds. Hope you guys are enjoying this break. This is the longest break you're gonna get. Next is gonna be squats with calf raise. We're hitting the lower body, the legs, the thighs, the glutes, the calves. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go. So we're gonna do a squat, and then you're gonna do a calf raise. 1, all the way to 20. 2, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in on the way down, breathe out on the way up. You got it, 20 reps. Look at this form. Look at those calves, they're popping. Doing them with weights, a little bit more challenging. Don't be afraid to be using weights. The more you challenge your body, the more change you're gonna see. You know, if you're not challenging yourself during these workouts, don't be complaining when you're not seeing the results you want. Let's go all the way to 20. I'm joining you guys. Squat, calf raise, squat, calf raise. Ooh, feel those calves working. Feel them. Now those legs are on fire. You gotta get a 20. Let's go. Woo, God, love it. God, love it. Quick at-home workout. Hope you guys are keeping up. Let's go, good job. How many more, Michelle? All done? All right. Now, we're gonna go straight into a plank. We're gonna challenge our core, 30 seconds. So with the plank, I'm gonna explain it one more time. Make sure when you guys make sure your elbows are right below your shoulders. Legs are wide. Let's go. 30 seconds. Keep that core tight. Keep it tight. Make sure your hips don't pick up. If you're a beginner, they might. It's perfectly okay, but over time, you wanna make sure it looks like this. Keep that core tight. Squeeze the butt. Squeeze the abs. Squeeze it all. Look at this form. Destiny didn't look like this on day 1. Go back to her videos on day 1. Her hips were way up here. You know, but with practice, repetition, she got way better. There you go. Keep that core tight. Come on. Okay, we're good. Okay. Now we got bicep curls. We're gonna work on the arms a little bit. You got a long band in case you don't have any dumbbells. Ooh, Destiny's going hard. Okay, so they're gonna be doing it with dumbbells. So what you wanna do here is you're gonna grab the weight, the band. All you're gonna do is bring it up. Try to keep this part of the arm stable. It doesn't move. The only thing that moves really is your forearm, like this. Perfect, all the way to 20 reps. You're gonna be feeling this area. You guys see how they're doing it? Perfect. All the way down, all the way up. Look at that. You guys see that? Y'all see it? Let's go, Destiny. Ooh, Destiny's getting a pump too. Let's go, come on. You guys are doing great. There you go, Lily. Ooh, Lily's sweating. All the way to 20. Lily's veins are popping out. Join for the last reps. You gotta love this. Feels good. Getting summer ready. Okay, now we're gonna do banded glute bridges for the booty. Oh, this is gonna kill the booty, especially with the band. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna place the band right above your knees. Right here, the best area to place it. You're gonna get a glute bridge position. So your feet, you don't want them too close. You're gonna feel more of your knees. You don't want them too far out because you're gonna feel more of your hamstrings. You want them at a good distance. From here, you're gonna make sure your knees stay out. The band wants to bring them in. You gotta keep them out, engage the glutes right away, and then you push off your heel, just like that. All the way to 20 reps. Let's go. Oh, you're gonna feel it right away, that booty. It's burning. Is your guys' burning? Woo. Come on, come on. Let's go, Destiny. Don't quit on me. I love it. That booty burn. You're gonna feel that booty pump. After this, make sure you guys check your booty pump in the mirror. Let's go, look, perfect. Pushing off the heels is what you want. Don't push off the toes because then you're gonna feel your knees instead. Keeping the knees out, perfect. Booty's engaged the whole time when you do that. Let's go all the way to 20. Don't stop. Good job, Michelle. Good job, Lily. See, they're advanced and they're feeling it. Okay, guys, we got 3 more workouts. If you guys have been hanging in, good job. If you need a longer break, pause it and then click play. We're gonna be here. And then we got military lunges. So you're gonna pretend there's a weight. They're gonna do it with dumbbells. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold one dumbbell up. All you're gonna do is take a step back, lunge. Come back, lunge. 20 reps total, so it's gonna be 10 on each leg. Let's go. Perfect. There you go. You might lose your balance a little bit, that's normal. Let's go, feel those legs. Oh, I know you guys feel the legs. Look, there's what you're working. That front leg is being worked right here. She lunges is the front area. The left leg now it's the right. The glutes, the legs. When you're doing the lunge, it's the front leg that's being worked. Also very important that you guys push off the heel from the front leg. Every time you guys do exercises that you guys want to engage the glutes, the heels are very important. All the pressure comes through there. Your arms are gonna be feeling tired. Keep them up, Destiny. Let's go, you're almost there. All the way to 20. Hang in there. Straight arms, Michelle. Don't quit on me. How was that? You feel it on your shoulders a lot, huh? Good job. Damn, Lily, killing it. Okay. I saw Destiny had him here. I'm like, I wonder if she forgot that she has to hold him up. Okay, now we're gonna do banded knee flare out. So you're gonna place the band right above your knees again. All you're gonna do is kind of like bend down a little bit, like you're gonna do a squat, but not really. And then from here, you bring your knees out. You're gonna get the side of the booty right here, just like this. All the way to 20. 20 reps, guys, 20 reps. Ooh, feel it, feel it. You might feel your legs too though. That's normal. Woo. Come on guys, hang in there. Gotta love this burn. Ooh, embrace it. Embrace the burn. Don't stop when you feel that burn. Keep going, keep going. You wanna see growth? The growth happens when you push past that burn. Okay, last workout. This is the last one. We got squats with front raises. I'm gonna give you guys an example with the band. So you're gonna place the band, you're gonna step on it with both your feet. You're gonna grab it right in the middle. They're gonna do it with weights. So you can see them, they're gonna do it with one dumbbell. Okay, so you're gonna squat down. When you come up, you pick it up like that. So you're working the shoulders, the legs, pretty much the whole body. Let's go all the way to 20 reps. And this is it, guys. Hang in there. This is the last one. You guys see how they're doing it? Bring in the dumbbell right in the middle. When you squat down, get those knees out. You're also gonna work the inner thigh right here. All the way to 20. Working the arms when you go up. Front part of the shoulder, the front deltoid. There you go, Destiny. Let's go. The girls are killing it. I hope you guys are too. Wide squat. Feel it, feel it. Ooh, there's a good one. Woo! Yes. All the way to 20. It's normal if you guys take a break on the 10th, 11th rep. You can't do it all without a break, that's fine. Just try to take like a minimal break, 5 seconds, that's all you need. And then get back to it, finish strong, just like they did. Give it a round of applause to Destiny, Lily, and Michelle. Good job, guys. Oh, Destiny's still going. Good job. No cheating. Don't stop at 15 and say you're done. You gotta get to 20. We did it. We did it. Thank you guys for joining us on another follow along workout. If you guys want any other type of workout, leave a comment in the comment box. If you guys want abs, just arms or HIIT, whatever type of workout you guys want, let me know. It's gonna be the next video, okay?